Oh, excuse me, how much is this? I'm not sure. I'll have to ask my mum, but she's busy at the moment. Okay, how much is this one? Mum, how much is that? It's £2. Oh, it's £2. And this? Mum, how much is that one? That's £1. Okay, it's £1. And this one? Oh, Mum, what about that one? Oh, darling, I'm busy at the moment. You can just make...
Skip this video if you don't love your mother. Which place would you choose for your mother? Click the follow, like, and share buttons if you choose heaven. I give you 3 seconds to choose.
Makeup prices. Okay, 10p? No, not 10p!